Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Python and .NET on Windows, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python and .NET are powerful technologies on their own, but combining them can open up new possibilities for developers. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of integrating Python with .NET on a Windows platform. We will cover the basics, installation steps, and provide code examples to help you get started. If you haven't installed Python on your system, you can download the latest version from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. During the installation, make sure to check the option to add Python to the system path. Download and install the .NET SDK from the official .NET website, https://.net.microsoft.com/download. Ensure that the installation includes the necessary tools to build and run .NET applications. Open a command prompt and run the following commands to create a new .NET console application. To facilitate communication between Python and .NET, we will use the python.net package. Install it using the following command. Edit the Program.cs file in your console application directory. Add the following code to demonstrate a simple interaction between Python and .NET. Navigate to the console application directory in the command prompt and build the .NET application. Run the application. You should see the output "Hello from Python" displayed in the console, indicating a successful integration between Python and .NET. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Python with .NET on a Windows platform. This opens up a world of possibilities for combining the strengths of both technologies in your projects. Explore further by incorporating more complex Python functionality into your .NET applications or vice versa. ChatGPT. Python is a versatile language known for its simplicity and readability. However, there are times when you might need to leverage functionality from .NET libraries, especially on Windows platforms. Thankfully, Python provides mechanisms to interact with .NET libraries seamlessly, allowing you to access their functionality within your Python scripts. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to interact with .NET libraries using Python on a Windows environment. We'll cover the following topics. Let's dive into each of these steps with code examples. Before you can start using .NET libraries in Python, you need to ensure that the necessary tools and packages are installed. Fortunately, there's a package called Pythonit that facilitates interaction between Python and .NET. To install Pythonit, you can use pip. Once installed, you're ready to begin interacting with .NET libraries. In .NET, code is organized into assemblies, which are essentially collections of types and resources. To use a .NET library in Python, you first need to import the corresponding assembly. Here's how you can import a .NET assembly in Python. In the above code, we imported the system assembly, which is a core assembly in .NET. Once you've imported the necessary assembly, you can access classes and methods defined within it just like you would in C# or any other .NET language. Here's an example of how you can use a class from the system assembly. In this example, we accessed the console class from the system assembly and called its readAline method to output a message. Python and .NET have different data type systems, so it's important to understand how to handle data type conversions between the two environments. For example, when passing arguments to .NET methods or receiving return values from them, you may need to convert between Python types and .NET types. Here's an example that demonstrates passing arguments and receiving return values from a .NET method. In this example, we defined a Python function concatenate_strings that calls the concat method from the string class in the system assembly to concatenate two strings. Interacting with .NET libraries in Python opens up a world of possibilities for Windows developers. With the Pythonit package, you can seamlessly integrate .NET functionality into your Python scripts, allowing you to take advantage of the vast ecosystem of .NET libraries available. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of setting up Python for .NET interaction, importing .NET assemblies, accessing classes and methods from .NET assemblies, and handling data types between Python and .NET. Armed with this knowledge, you can now start incorporating .NET functionality into your Python projects on Windows. ChatGPT. Title: Getting Started with Python and .NET on Windows. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language, and .NET is a powerful framework for building Windows applications. Combining the two allows developers to leverage the strengths of both worlds. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to integrate Python with .NET on a Windows environment, showcasing code examples along the way. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Python.NET package. Open a command prompt or terminal and install the Pythonit package using pip. This package enables Python to interact with .NET assemblies. Step 2. Create a .NET class library. Let's create a simple .NET class library in C#. Open your favorite text editor or use Visual Studio to create a new file named mathlibrary.cs. Compile the library using the following command in the command prompt. Step 3. Use Python to interact with the .NET library. Create a new Python script, let's name it python_.NET_example.py. Make sure to replace math library with the actual name of your compiled .NET assembly, without the extension. Step 4. Run the Python script. Execute the Python script in the command prompt. You should see the results of the addition and multiplication operations performed by the .NET class library. Conclusion. Integrating Python with .NET on Windows allows developers to take advantage of the capabilities of both languages. This tutorial covered the installation of the Pythonit package, creating a simple .NET class library, and demonstrating how to use it in a Python script. This combination opens up possibilities for building powerful and flexible applications on the Windows platform. ChatGPT.